This might be the bag I'm gonna wear to the premiere of Art Lovers Unite, simply because this is just fabulosity in a bag. Hello my lovely humans and welcome back to my channel. So today we have two bags to unbox, and let me tell you, these are two of the most fabulous, glorious bags that I will own. I can't believe that I got my hand on these bags because they are so rare, and I will tell you more about this. Big shout out to Dina from Bvlgari. I mean, you all have seen the vlog, you know her, she's absolutely fabulous. She always manages to get like the most rare pieces for me. I don't know how she does it. She's doing her little magic, and you know, so thank you so much, Dina. Before we get into the unboxing of these fabulous bags, I want to remind you guys that I'm gonna be in Berlin on the 16th of February for the premiere of Art Lovers Unite, Super Jacob's film with Vivienne Westwood. I just want to invite all of you guys again to join us. We're gonna have a little like red carpet moment before the premiere. So the film starts at 7:30. I'm gonna link all the infos in the description box below. You can still get tickets, and yeah, we all can choose like a fabulous bag and just, you know, talk about our passion and watch an amazing documentary. And you all know that Vivienne Westwood passed away recently, so it's even more of an homage to this fabulous designer. So I would be so happy to meet all of you in Berlin on the 16th of February, 7:30, but come earlier for pictures and red carpet moments. So definitely, if you're coming, let me know in the comment section down below. Find all the information in the description box below, and yeah, I would say let's get into the unboxing. I might have a feeling that this might be the bag I'm gonna wear to the premiere of Art Lovers Unite, simply because this is just fabulosity in a bag. Okay, so Bvlgari, like, they spray perfume on their boxes when you buy something, and oh, it's just amazing. This bag, guys, like, I was speechless when I saw it. I thought I would be, because I only saw pictures on Instagram and online, but it is next level when you actually see this bag in reality. Like, I was speechless, entirely speechless. And you guys might think, but Romina, do you not have a bag like this already? Yes, and I show you in a second, but mine is entirely in black. Now you might know which bag this is. And I think this bag is just so special that it's actually reasonable to have two bags of the same model. Okay, yeah, there we can see a tiny little bit already. And guys, you guys know that Bvlgari gold plates their hardware. That's why you have such a rich gold color. Oh my god, okay. It's stuck. Suspense. Here we are. Oh my god. I hope that it comes across. Like I said, guys, if you have any opportunity, always go to your local Bvlgari boutique and look at these pieces in reality, because the camera, you know, you can see how beautiful it is, but it blows you away. It is mind-blowing once you see these pieces in real life. So this is the Serpentine vertical top handle bag. And I got this one in black. I'm actually gonna get it now quickly. Okay, so here I am with the black one as well. And as you can see, I fell in love once I saw that this model came out, and I had to get it in the classic black and gold, because you can never go wrong with black and gold, right? And just like I said, can you see how rich gold, how yellow gold the handle is? That's because Bvlgari still does gold plate their hardware pieces. And now I cannot believe it. Now we have the same model, but oh my god, this is so much heavier than this one, simply because, believe it or not, this bag has 6,400 crystals on it, and they're all hand placed. It's the entire bag is handmade, obviously. They're all hand placed by an artisan, and yeah, I mean, can we believe this? 6,400 crystals in 3 different sizes, and they place them so beautifully on the bag that you have this dégradé effect, and it goes from like black crystals over like silver, bronze to gold. I cannot believe how beautiful this dégradé effect is. Guys, once you have a Bvlgari bag, and where's my phone? Okay guys, I just quickly got my phone. It's easier to show you. Basically, you download the Bvlgari Touch app, and then once you've done that, you open the app, and with your phone, you go over the back of your bag and you find the NFC chip. It's scanning it automatically, and then actually you get a lot of information about the piece that you bought and about Bvlgari bags in general. And yeah, you can just, you know, scroll through it, get all the background information of how your bag was made, and the Bvlgari Touch app is just absolutely incredible. I can always only recommend downloading it if you want to really dive into the craftsmanship and designs of Bvlgari. This Serpentine vertical top-handle tote. Okay, I think I just pushed the camera back a little bit. It is, like I said, 6,400 crystals, guys. It's absolutely incredible, so that's why it is so heavy. All of these bags, so the black one as well, they do actually come with a strap that you can attach there and there. It's maybe a little bit easier to see it on the black bag, so there's a little hook and there. I have never attached the strap onto this bag simply because I think it's so beautiful to just carry it as a handheld bag, as a little top handle bag. It does fit on my wrist. I show you modeling shots in a little bit, but yeah, I would say let's look at this bag in detail. This might be the paperwork, and Bvlgari bags always come with a raincoat as well, so I guess this is paperwork stuff, guys. Let's put this here, and this might be, yes, your raincoat, because Bvlgari bags come with a raincoat. Such a nice little addition. Obviously, you know, I live in London, so it's quite possible that it rains, and a bag like this, you want to protect it. Actually, this material is leather. It's suede leather underneath the crystals, and then the crystals are all, you know, applied by hand and glued onto the material. I wouldn't worry at all about, you know, oh, what if a crystal ever falls off. First of all, I think because of the way that these crystals have been applied, like, I think you wouldn't really see it. But even if you notice that a little crystal is missing, what you can do is go to Bvlgari and they will forever, lifetime guarantee, fix your bag. So, you know, that's always good to know. I can always only tell you that Bvlgari has the best customer service. It's just incredible. So there we have a little plug, some gold leather. There's a little card slot, as you can see. Some gold leather, hopefully, because I never know if you can actually see it, and the rest is black leather. Here we have the little strap, and even this material that the strap was wrapped in, guys, it's not like paper. Most other brands are giving us paper, right? This is like a beautiful soft felt. This is like a beautiful soft white felt material. This actually reminds me of the gold color of my little Serpenti cabochon bag. Really, really stunning. And yeah, if you wanted to, you could attach it. But this is bag number one, and got two of these now. Stunning, huh? Can't wait to wear it. Should I wear this to Daycop's premiere? Are they actually gonna stand up? Yes, they are standing up. Okay, that is bag number one. And then the bigger bags. Any guesses? Please guess now in the comment section down below before we actually open this bag. This, well, I think you either love it or you hate it, because so many of you in the actual vlog, they were like, oh my god, this is such a beautiful bag and so pretty and so unique and I've never seen anything like it. And other people were like, oh my god, this bag is so ugly. But hey guys, I always say it's good that we don't all like the same things. We simply cannot like all the same things, and I mean, otherwise life would be boring, right? So okay, this bag, guys, and the perfume comes with a little strap. I'll show you that in a second. But this bag, guys, is 1 out of 10 in the world. So yeah, you know now. If you've seen the vlog, you know. It's the little rainbow monster. Give me a second. Here we are again. Yes, I did just blow dry my bag. So here she is. Because this bag, like I said, it is 1 out of 10 in the world, and initially these bags were supposed to be Paris and Milan exclusives. I don't know if they're still available. If they are, you have to be very quick. So they came out in 2 different colorways. We have this beauty right here in the size small. This is the Serpentine pouch in the size small. And it also came out in the large size, which is more of like a rainbowy color. I mean, this is a rainbow as well, obviously, but this is more of the classic kind of rainbow colors, right? So I have to be honest, guys, I never paid a lot of attention to the Serpentine pouch. I do like them a lot. I really like the white one as well. I think I'm getting more and more into them. But when I saw that Bvlgari is coming out with this bag, my heart stopped. Guys, it is fur, but it is recycled fur. In contrast to other fashion houses, Bvlgari is only using recycled furs, which is something that I can live with. And yeah, I think that's a really good way to go in general, and other fashion houses could look into doing that as well, to only use recycled fur for their fur pieces. So yeah, big plus point for Bvlgari for doing that. Here we have the little Serpentine pouch. That's a small pouch. However, if you try on a leather Serpentine pouch in the size small, it looks a lot smaller than this one. I'm gonna put up a little video clip of me trying on the black Serpentine pouch in the size small. And because this bag is obviously furry, I think that makes, you know, the volume of the bag appear a little bit bigger, but it's the same size, so it's pretty small. But I really think I want to get a classic leather Serpentine pouch in the size big as well at some point in the future, because they are gorgeous. They are really gorgeous. And I don't know why, I've just fallen in love with the white one for whatever reason. And guys, it feels so luxurious. It really is absolutely beautiful. So here we have the gold plated metal, the hardware, and as you can see, the sticker is still on. How satisfying, right? So this is the beautiful snake clasp closure, and then we have this kind of rainbowy material, and depending on, you know, how you hold it, you can see obviously the sweat from my hand is changing the direction of the fur. But like what I just did, you can always just use a blow dryer. Don't use it too hot, just use it like warm or cold, with cold air, and you can change the direction of the fur. We can see the color changes slightly from this beautiful light blue to purple, pink, and then this hot pink here at the bottom. And I don't know, it's absolutely stunning. I think it's mesmerizing, these colors. The way you open this bag, there's a little knob right here, a little button, and you just press this down, and this is how you open it. Okay, my camera just died on me. I think I wanted to show you guys the interior of the bag, so let me take all of this out again. The interior of the bag is just entirely black. It's basically like the other one. Like this beauty. I mean, oh my god, look at these 2 new additions to my collection. Absolutely incredible. So they both have like classic black interior leather lining, and the plug here is a little bit, you know, you can see a little bit of blue around it. Very nice little highlight. Just says Bvlgari, made in Italy. I always wanted to do the phone test to see if actually a phone fits into the small Serpentine. It does! It does! Wow! Okay, I was never sure if a phone actually fits in here, but ta-ta-ta-ta, it does. Let me see if I can do it when it's not diagonally as well. I think, yeah! Oh, guys! Can you see that? The phone fits in there, even in the small pouch. That is so nice. That's really good to know. I was a little bit concerned about this, but hey, it works. Or you can even lie your phone down. Can you see? It's just lying down now at the bottom. Phone fits in here. Absolutely incredible. So these bags, you have stickers here as well. I'm going to take them off in a second. These bags come with, no matter if it's a size small or the larger size, with these little thingies so that you can attach a strap if you want to. Again, like, I'm not a strap person. I will only wear this bag as a nice little clutch, you know, like this. But if you need to be hands-free, you do have the option of lifting these little metal pieces, then closing your bag. Then you have these little hooks here and you can attach the strap. Okay, let's have a look at the strap. Then you can basically attach the strap to the little bag. Hello. Really, really beautiful. Like I said, it does fit on my wrist, so you could just wear it like this or as a little top handle bag. I'm always going to be wearing it like this. And the shimmer, just take it in, guys. Okay, like I said, you have the option of attaching the little strap. Let's do this quickly. And yeah, it just, I don't know, I don't like the casual look. This bag is clearly made to sparkle and stand out. You could wear it as a little strap bag, but no, not for me. But yeah, just so you get the idea. And for anyone who's interested, this is the black bag. This is how it looks like. Absolutely stunning. This is the glittery bag. Okay, let's do the pouch as well. This is maybe not the right dress for this bag. This is not how I would wear it, but just for the sake of this video, I want to show you how big it looks like on the body. And yeah, guys, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease, and it's a big disease that doesn't go away. Yeah, okay, I really hope you enjoyed it, guys. I would be so thrilled if I would see you in Berlin on the 16th of February. I see you guys again very, very soon. Bye!